What's up guys, Carolynn Castillo with Team Absolute Top Dollar and eXp Realty. Today we're located at the infamous Riverside neighborhood in Jacksonville. This is a historic home district and this property here is over 5,000 square feet featuring a 5-bedroom, 2-bath home. Check out this front porch, check out this historic area. I can't wait to take you on this tour. Let's go take a look. What's up guys? So welcome inside this absolutely beautiful home. So let me just tell you a little bit about this on the first floor as we walk through. As I mentioned, this is a 5,000 square foot historic home. So on the first floor, you're gonna have a family room, a formal family room, dining room, a huge patio, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and the kitchen downstairs. So we've got a big tour ahead of us. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm gonna share with you right in the entryway of the home. So what you're gonna see is this has all the historic features. You've got a nice stone entryway here, the beautiful historic windows. These are the original windows that the house came with, guys, okay? Now, when you're buying a historic home, you do have to keep the front of the home intact, meaning all of the windows. So these would have to stay in place. Now, as you walk in here to this extremely grand formal sitting room. So back in the 1900s, we didn't have TVs, we didn't have technology, and what do you see all across this is bookshelves. So the family would come here and you guys would actually read books after dinner. It does have a fireplace right here and it's just such a beautiful grand room. In this room, all the windows have been updated. So that's a really great thing here. Now you're gonna actually walk through here. This is gonna lead you out to the covered exterior. There is air conditioning coming out here and there are lots of fans, but this is a huge outdoor space that is available for, you know, your man cave or reading room. This is gonna be like a Florida room here, okay? Now in here, you are gonna have a complete 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. So come on inside. Now, throughout this home, you're gonna see that it does need some TLC, okay? There hasn't been a lot of cosmetic updates to this home, so it's really your opportunity to make it your own and really put your own character into it. But as you come in here, you are gonna see an updated bathroom. The seller did just go ahead and do this. You've got a beautiful window in here, shower, and a complete bathroom. Now, I am gonna tell you, this is wallpaper. There's some deterioration around the walls and things, but this is all cosmetic work that can be updated. Now, right here, this is actually gonna lead out to the back of the home, which is on an alley, and you do have a full driveway back here that you can actually park your cars. Now, come on inside with me. We are gonna walk into the formal dining room, okay? So what I love about this house is all like the wood floors, all the wood trim around. You do have an additional fireplace right here, and it's just such a grand feeling. You just feel like so rich with history in this house. I do really love this. I'm just gonna show it for the camera. So this is like the old-fashioned doors here. This is original with the house. So as you come in here, you're gonna see this beautiful, some type of marble flooring that was put together. You've got floor to ceiling cabinetry here. Remember guys, this is from 1901. So everything that you're looking at is pretty original. So you have a beautiful corner kitchen here full of windows, original kitchen cabinets. They do have the stainless steel appliances. And like I said, a very interesting floor makeup. Now, there is actually some scary stuff in this house. No, I'm just kidding. It's not scary, but there is actually a secret staircase right here, okay? So I'm not gonna walk up there, but I'm gonna show you where it leads out to. So there's a lot of really cool mysteries and a lot of character in this home. So let's go ahead and continue. I'm gonna go ahead and take you through the formal dining area, back into, so we actually have 3 fireplaces in this house. One in the dining room, one in the formal sitting room, and then also here in the living room, you've got the fireplaces. You've got storage here right underneath the stairs. And we're gonna go ahead and walk upstairs. So as I mentioned to you, this home does need a little TLC. There hasn't been any cosmetic updates to it, but the potential is unbelievable, okay? So we're gonna come up here and make a left. This is actually the living room for the upstairs, okay? Now on the second floor, what you're gonna find is you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. You're gonna have 2 additional rooms on that side with a laundry room, and then there's a bonus room that I'm gonna show you as we walk in. So let's go ahead and take a look over here. It's a very interesting floor plan and layout. When the first time you come here, you kind of get a little lost. This is actually the entry to the bathroom, but I'm gonna show you on the other wall. So look at this enormous room, wood floors, original wood floors, beautiful windows throughout, high ceilings, really lots of potential. You've got a walk-in closet right here, and then this is actually going to be like a Jack and Jill bathroom. So in this bathroom, you've got a full tub, you've got a full sink, and then you've also got a full stand-up shower, which that's the door that leads out to the hallway, okay? So now we're gonna go into the next bedroom. Now this room is actually occupied where someone is staying, but it does also feature a fireplace. So you do have another fireplace here, you have a walk-in closet, and it's very similar, high ceilings, wood floors. I love it. So this is a Jack and Jill bathroom where you can share with, you know, siblings or whatnot. So let's walk to the other side. Now, in the Riverside community, this is a very well-known community in Jacksonville for its historic homes. So I know that the buyer that buys this property is gonna absolutely fall in love with it because it has so much character and so much charm, so much history. So this room right here is a beautiful pink room. So this is my favorite, okay? And you've got a sitting area here, and you've also got a large room right here. I actually wanted to show you this first, so apologize. This is a small room here, probably the smallest room in the house, okay? Walk-in closet though, and it also has 3 windows, so just all the light and the open space in here is just amazing. I love it so much. This is the laundry room. Now again, does need a little TLC, guys. They are gonna be painting in here probably by the time you see it, but there is a full-size laundry room. So let's walk in here again. We're gonna go through a secret door, okay? So when you come into this door, what? We're in a kitchen? What's going on here? So when this house was actually originally built, it was actually used as a schoolhouse. So they used the upstairs as where they prepared the food for the kids and all that kind of stuff. So obviously, probably you're not gonna be using this as a kitchen. Maybe you will, I don't know. But all the components are here. So this could potentially turn into a 6th bedroom, or you could knock down this wall and just open up this entire living space. Now, the cool thing is, it's kind of funny, but there's a door here. And the reason the door is here is because when the kids used to go here, this was the fire exit. So you can actually, the seller had told me about it, build out actually a deck up here because there's already a full flight of steps leading up to this area, okay? So whoever buys this, the potential is literally unlimited, okay? So we are actually going to be putting this house, so let me show you where this leads to. Because this house, you actually need like a maze to be able to know like where you're going. So remember I told you it has the stairs down by the kitchen? Okay. So right next to the staircase, this is the actual secret. This is the Batman staircase right here. So literally, if you needed to just shoot down and grab a sandwich, you can do it right through that staircase, okay? So here we are back into the living area. We are going to be putting this on the market right away. This house, we are looking for someone that loves Riverside, loves the community, and is willing to put in a little bit of work into this property. Everything is here, everything is functional, but it does need a little cosmetic love. So if that's you and you love historic homes, we want to set up a private tour with you. All of our information is below, and we can't wait to see you on the next one. Thank you for watching the video.